don't really have much to say. There's a little head and shoulders pattern here forming. That's not good. Let me see how much. Let me see where I'm at on my trades today. Am I up? Am I down? Am I bankrupt? It's basically break even. There's a very kind of choppy behavior. This is actually this is a head and shoulders pattern. You take the low, you're going down here. Just in this local area. Remember, this is what I said needed to happen. So just be aware of this. Could we come back down for a back test tonight for continuation? Is it going to go crazy to the moon? I like that we've taken out this high. That's always a good sign, isn't it? Taking out the highs, isn't it? So I am, you know, I think this consolidation is actually quite bullish. You see, look, the MACD is going down like crazy. The price has kind of gone flat. Look at that. This is bullish. We're seeing bullish divergences here. Look at that, lower, higher lows. I always think it's possible for altcoins to shake out before they go up. Yeah, that's a really nice push up. Has the impulsiveness moved? I'm not 100%, because I think when SLERF is impulsive, you see it. Like it's easy to see when SLERF is impulsive. I'm actually still wondering if this is just still all corrective behavior. Yeah. And instead of going down, which is kind of what I was maybe expecting, just kind of go down here and find support here, it's actually going up because you're getting aggressive buying in this accumulation. It's really strong accumulation because we've actually gone above this high volume node, which corresponds to this 382. So let me just update. Let me just update the volume level. Why is that doing copy price? I don't want copy price. I want reset. Let's just see this volume. I'm using a combined volume chart here, just to kind of get more aggregate data on the volume. I'm going to try and use as lower time frame as possible. 2-hour chart is fine. So I'm missing the last 2 hours worth of volume data. Where's my little pivot? Shh. Nope, it's not working. I can't get the point of control. There it is. Right, value area low has moved up. That's good. And there you go. You see the point of control has just flipped. Do you see that? So just in case you weren't aware of what I was talking about before, I was talking about a shift of the point of control. Let me just kind of go back. You see the red lines. This is our previous levels: value area low, point of control, high volume node, value area high. And I've just updated my volume. I've pulled it to the most recent data. So before it was wherever it was here. Okay. And you see the point of control is here, the value area low is here, the value area, that's where I updated it last. And now that I've kind of included the latest data, which is the last day, basically the last few hours, and you can see the value area is shifted, bullish. And now the point of control, guess what? It's here. We've moved the point of control. So how amazing is that? How amazing is that? The value area high is slightly shifted higher. So right now, the point of control, the price is above the point of control right now. This is mega bullish, mega bullish. I think all we need to see now for an explosive move is confirmation that the point of control is support. That is your next great entry. 29, a shade under 30 cents, but you know, this could always be front run. That find support there, and I think that's kind of what you'd want to see next. You'd want to see a kind of an explosive move to take us to higher prices. The target in the initially would be the value area high, but you know, you kind of want to see increasing volume, increasing prices, and continued strength here. This is really bullish, so I like to see that. I've been talking about a shift of the point of control on my streams. Okay, so you see on the 12-hour time frame, it's still at the lows here. Why? Because it doesn't include the last 12 hours of data. So literally, the point of control has shifted in the last few hours. So when you change it to the 2-hour time frame, this last bit of injection of volume here has actually shifted the point of control to exactly where we want to find support on a backtest. So this is what I'm dreaming of. I'm dreaming of the point of control, active support, and big volume to come in after you see a nice backtest, higher low, and off we go. Could it happen tonight in the middle of the night? Little pullback and then explosive move to the upside. I'm kind of hoping that's the way it plays out, to be honest with you, because then I'll feel good about my analysis. Really mega bullish weekly candle. It's a shame we couldn't close higher than the previous week, so we are expecting a little pullback. But the great thing about this candle is that we have a fresh weekly level at 29.33. So that's kind of your level of interest now. That new weekly level corresponds with, guess what? The point of control. It's a brand new fresh weekly level. If assuming today's candle is green, you're going to have a brand new weekly level right at the point of control. So you're going to have mega support here. If we can close today green, then you're going to nice fresh weekly level at the point of control at a back test of this 382. That's where you find support here, and then that's where we want to go up from there, and like a nice explosive move to the upside, taking us to at least 40 cents. But you know, why not more? Why not higher? Because then, and like I was saying, I think all of this is probably corrective. I don't know, maybe this was the first impulse and this whole thing is corrective, or maybe this whole thing is corrective. It'll be a lot easier to see in after the event. You could argue that there was an impulsive price action here, which has led to higher prices, and this whole thing is a flat correction. So possibly, if I go back and if I pull back my EW count, I have to do it on the Bybit chart. So let me just go to the Bybit chart and pull my EW count. And you see on Bybit, it was already the point of control. It was higher anyway. I'm just looking at the combined price action, the price charts. If I go to Bybit and I go pull my EW count, I kind of wondered if that was the 4 was there and then you had your first impulsive move. And if that is the case, then possibly if that was the one there, maybe this is going to be a flat to find support here for a continuation, whatever. Okay, that we'll know. If it comes back for a support there and bang up, then this whole thing is flat. And then I'm not even going to try and time it, but because I'm not quite sure. Yeah, I'm not sure about the timings. I think if it's going to happen, it should happen in tonight, like early hours of Monday morning, possibly. Little back test and off we go. Just for the sake of curiosity, I'm going to also update the volume on this chart as well. There you go. I mean, even on Bybit, the point of control is, yeah, exactly. Look, see that? Perfect. And the value area high is actually much higher now on Bybit. So Bybit is showing, oh God, I can't grab that one. And the value area low is now higher than this lowest high volume node. So we're really experiencing quite bullish accumulation right now on SLERF. I'm feeling quite good about this. So Ali Hash, I hope you like that update for SLERF. I'm going to kind of create a video from that. Maybe we can get the market, all the SLERF degens to put bids here for an explosive move to the upside. I certainly will. You know, I'll kind of be buying heavy here if we get a pullback to find support here. Point of control, nice fresh weekly level, back test of the 382, higher lows, flat correction. Maybe the flat correction is like this. That looks good, huh? The flat, if that's a flat correction that looks like this, it looks exactly like how it could be. Look, see, like a WXY, some kind of WX. Look at that. That would be perfect, isn't it? WXY. Down and up. I'm just looking at my SLERF positions. I'm thinking, how to go about this. That means Bitcoin's going to pull back a little bit, doesn't it? ETH will pull back a little bit too, wouldn't it? If this is how it's going to play out. So where's my SLERF? I mean, it's not really a big pullback, is it? It's not really a big pullback. I have such a small position right now. I've been scaling in. My position is so small, I'm not even going to touch it. I will look to go heavy for a pullback and a reaction. Tighten validation, and off we go. All right, so that's kind of SLERF. Any questions, Ali Hash or anyone?